Hi everyone, welcome to the session on Python operators. This will be 2-3 video session where I will cover all the operators mentioned below. So in this topic, what we'll do, we'll cover arithmetic, assignment, unary and the comparison operator. And please note you can reach out to me at technological@gmail.com and the link for my GitHub account is also mentioned here. So let's start. First of all, we have the arithmetic operation. Okay, so suppose we have a value a is equals to 15 and b is equals to 10. And if you want to do the addition, then we can say a plus b, which is 25. And if you want to do the subtraction, which will be a minus b, which is 5, or you can even say a minus 10. It's up to you. Now again, the multiplication will be a star b, which is 150, and the division will be a by b. Okay, so 15 by 10 will be 1.5. Okay, now if we give a percentage b, then what we'll give, we will get the remainder. Okay, 15 is divided by 10, so what is my remainder? Okay, so it is 5. After that, if you see here, this is my addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and followed by the exponential and floor division. Now exponential is nothing but if we give a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 3, so it is nothing but a to the power of b, and which here we have 5 to the power of 3. So we, in that case, we can say a to the power of b, and it will give you 125, or you can say 5 to the power of 3. Okay, so and after this we have this floor division. If you give 5 divided by, or you give a by 3, will get how much? By b will get 1, because 5, when it is divided by 3, we don't want the remainder, like what is the exact value. The remainder will be 2, but it will divide it by 1. Okay, so this is all about the arithmetic operators. After arithmetic operator, we'll go with the assignment operator. Okay, assignment is nothing but when I've given here a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 3, this is nothing but we have assigned the value of a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 3. There are ways in which we can assign multiple values. A is like this. If you calculate a and b, it will be like this. So instead of 2 lines, you can assign the values in 1 line. Even you can assign multiple, like 3 variables. A is 5, b is 10 and c is 15. This is the simple way of assignment operator, but you can do multiple things. When we say a is equals to 5, okay, and if you want to add it a value to a, suppose you want to add 5 to this value of a, you can say a is equals to a plus 5. And the value now will be how much? 10. It will be 10. Instead of this, you can also say a plus is equals to 5. So if we say a is equals to 5 and a plus equals to 5, okay, so you can say a plus is equals to 5 and a is equals to a plus 5 works in the same fashion. Similarly, a minus is equals to 5 will work in the same fashion, and now from 10 it will return to 5. You can apply the same with a star. Instead of multiplying a into a plus a is equals to a into 5, you can say a star is equals to 5, and now you print a is already 5 and you are doing what? You are multiplying it by 5. The value a is 25. Instead of a is equals to a by 5, we can say a by equals to 5, and if you print a, it will be 5.0. If we give a equals to a percentage of 5, now what is the value of a now? 0, because there is no remainder here, right? You can directly, if you assign the value of a is equals to 5, a is equals to 5, and then give a percentage is equals to 5. Now you check the value of a. Even you can say the floor division also will work, and also the exponential will work. Like if you say a is equals to 5 and a equals a, floor division by 5. So here a will be equal to 1. After this, we can say a is equals to 5. We will do the exponential operation here, the assignment exponential for assignment. So in that case, we can say a star star. First of all, a star star 5 is how much? 3125 means 5 to the power of 5. 5, 25, 125, 625 and 325. Okay. Now again we'll say a is equals to 5. Okay, and a star star is equals to 5, and we get achieve the same result. So this is how we can achieve the assignment operator, like plus equals to, minus equals, star equal to, slash equals to. See, from here, from ampersand, this pipe and all this I will cover when I will be covering the bitwise operator. So I'm not confusing now. Let's move with our next operator, which is nothing but the comparison operator. Suppose A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 3. In this case, if we say A equal to 5, this is nothing but we are comparing the value of A with B. It will show false. If we say A not equals to B, which is correct, it should throw true. After this, if we say A greater than B, that is correct, true. If we say A is less than B, which is incorrect, it will show false. After this, we have something like, you can see, greater than, equal to and less than. We have covered this for top 4, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than. Okay. After this word will say, we have A and we have B. We'll say A greater than equals to B, which is equals to true. And we'll say A less than equal to B, which is false. That's how it is work for the comparison operator. Okay, so that's it for this session. I will not make this session very lengthy. I want it to be as short as possible so that you get some interest and you watch my next video, which will be related to logical operator. Thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.